Hello friends, Tony here. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you the update of Claude Code and also a new application which is similar to this one, the Claude Code, and also similar to Codex. We have a bunch of them, bunch of applications. Now, here's the Codex. Let's show you the Codex, which is this application. So we have here, for example, the restaurant Laravel project, and we can create threads. We can start thread here. We can change the models. Now all the models are from GPT. So we have GPT 5.4, 5.2 Codex, and so on. And also low, medium, high, and extra high. Okay, next we have the Claude Cowork, which now has an update. We have the sidebar here. We can toggle the sidebar, and then we have a section for chat. This is for the chat, then Cowork, and then the code. And here, for example, we are on this restaurant project, which is a Laravel project. We can choose the model, which is right now Sonnet, but yeah, only the Claude Code models: Opus, Sonnet, and Haiku. Also low, medium, and high. As permissions, transcript view mode, and of course we have also this press and hold the record. Now you can create a new session, for example, right here, and here we have local. Yeah, we can choose the folder, the project. So let's choose, for example, this Teams project, and now we are on the Teams, and we can ask what we want. We can also switch between the models. And for the restaurant, I just asked to create a restaurant reservation system plan. And if I open the plan, here we can preview the plan, for example. We can show the terminal, tasks, diff, and preview. So if I say terminal here, we're to see the terminal right here. The plan to create a reservation system is here. And also another application which is similar to this one is from Trae and is called Trae Solo. You can see is almost the same. We have here the sidebar. We can click the sidebar, and here we have more than coding or just coding right here. We can select a folder, so select a project. We are on this restaurant project, and I asked analyze and understand this project repository to generate a structured and so on, and has analyzed the project. Now this used the solo auto model right now, but the beauty of this is you can add more models. If I come here, add models, you can select the provider, AWS or Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, XAI, OpenRouter. You can use OpenRouter here. Also you can use the Ollama Cloud and Minimax and so on. Okay, I don't think we have the local LLMs, but yeah, only the cloud. And I'm going to try to work with this little bit, which is a new one, because yeah, cloud is the best in my opinion. And because I have created this plan, I'm going to use this plan now and work with the local model, and I'm going to see if I can create the full project with the local model and how long it's going to take to create this full project. That's it all about this video, what I wanted to show you, that we have an update on the Claude Cowork application and also a new application from Trae Solo, which is almost identical to Claude Code right now and Codex. We have a get polyscope. We have also Solo, not here, but I have downloaded also the Solo from the Aaron Francis, which is this one. And here we can just add a project, right click, add a project, and for example, let's add that restaurant project, and here is going to suggest processes. So PHP Artisan serve, PHP Artisan Cowork, logs, schedule, Pale, Pint, and npm run dev, and also npm run build. Create a solo YAML file and store locally only, and we can add 4 processes for this one, for example. And here is the restaurant, here is so welcome to Solo, and we have the agents terminal. So if I hit agents, we have Gemini agent, OpenCode, Claude Code, Codex, and AMP. We can work with Gemini, for example. We can work also with Claude Code here. If I click, and here have open the cloud, so use this and all feature MCP servers in this project. Now here you need to have the cloud subscription because this is just a terminal. Okay friends, that's it all about this video. If you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and I'm going to see you in another one. All the best.